What's going on? Finally doing probably my favorite mod, or what I've been most wanting to do to the Cummins truck. As you can see, we got it up on some little car stands, hood open. We're gonna be finally putting on a 5-inch turbo back exhaust and an AFE cold air intake. I just opened this all up and holy crap, look how freaking big the pipe is on this. Like, damn, like that's freaking huge. I didn't think 5 inches. Damn, that's pretty big. That's a 5-inch turbo back exhaust. That right there was about $480, and I also got a tip. I got a 5 to a 6-inch tip right here. This is a 18-inch long one, so I don't like them when they're like really short or whatever. I like the good ones. It just looks better from the back of the truck, I think. But this right here is another 80 bucks, or like 89, I think. And then we got the cold air intake, which this I got for I think $241. I got it on sale. Also got a pre-filter too, since this is an open box design. See, there's just the shields down in there. So want to get that since I live in Arizona. There's a lot of dust and dirt, so just want to keep it clean. But here it all is. So I'm gonna try to get all this out and put it all together and kind of figure it all out. Look at the instructions, see what's going on. Here's the muffler, you guys. Look how small this thing is. It's just like slightly bigger. Look inside. All it is. You guys look in there, just a bunch of little like scoop looking things. That's all it is. This is your high flow muffler. So that's pretty cool. I've gotten stuff loose underneath here. As you can see, this thing is a little bit more loose. I got one hanger back here, and I got all the clamps up to right here. There's a clamp there that's like really hard. So I put a bunch of WD-40 under there and all the joints and everything. So I tried pulling off the tailpipe and it was not coming off. So put a bunch of WD-40 under there to let that soak in, try to loosen it up. But got the intake out. You can see stock one's gone. It's right there. And since we're here, I figured might as well take out the turbo silencer ring. This is the silencer ring right here. So I'm gonna take that out, and pretty easy, just get a little thing, pull this little seal right here around there off, and then the ring will come right out. And that should make the turbo a lot louder, hopefully. So that'll be pretty cool, but it should be pretty simple. I just think I have to, for the AFE, I have to put a bracket right here, take this off, put a bracket in, and just put everything else back on. It should be pretty simple. There we go, you guys. This is a little bit tough, especially trying to get this piece right here in, but got it all in there. Got the pre-filter on, big filter, freaking huge. I don't know why it touches this right here. I don't like that. I hope this doesn't get too hot, but that's kind of how it is, I guess. I don't know. It looks like that's supposed to be. This piece was pain trying to get this under here, but either way, got all that on. This is all tight. Pre-filter's on. I think this is how you keep like the pre-filter on, by putting it in like that. But everything's all good down here, right into the turbo. Everything looks good. Turbo silencer ring is deleted, so this thing should be spooling up pretty loud. I can't wait. I love hearing that whistle. So everything's on. Got a little sensor here on. Got the blocking plate because this is for a 6.7 Cummins, I think. That's what I think the instructions are saying. But all I gotta do is just put this plate on, and I'll show you guys when that's done. Because just 3 bolts, I just want to show you guys underneath what it looks like. All done underneath the hood. Looks good, everything's in there. A little bit of sweat on here trying to get that thing on there, but looks pretty good now. Engine looks clean. Finally, we are done underneath here, and I think I'm all good. Everything tight, things rock solid. Looks good. Hopefully get some good power from this and good sound. I really want the sound, honestly, a little more. Now I'm trying to get the exhaust, and it's pretty honestly a real pain to try to get off. So I don't know if I'll be able to get it off. I have to be at work in about 2 hours, so I need to get ready here in about 30 minutes because it's an hour drive over there. So I don't know if I'll be able to get the exhaust off right now. So this video might be continued to another day. I couldn't get it on, so I just cleaned everything up, and basically I have no hangers or no clamps back here, and one of the hangers is off. So I'm just gonna drive with like that. Maybe it'll loosen up. I gotta go to work, so I just threw some stuff in the back. Maybe we can do it at work, try to get the rest of this off, but otherwise I'm gonna drive with it just basically all loose under there. So probably a bunch of exhaust leaks, but that also gives us a chance to hear just this by itself too. So see how it sounds. Okay, first drive. I just pulled out of the driveway and the exhaust is still on, just loose, so maybe a little rattles or anything, but listen to this turbo. Holy crap! I don't want to swear on YouTube. That thing's so loud. The silencer ring and the cold air intake. Oh, that's so awesome. I love it. Wow. That sounds so good. It's like, oh, that is awesome. That spool is amazing. I just need to get some gauges on, see what kind of boost I'm pushing, but dang, that sounds so good. Oh, I can't wait till the exhaust is on, man. Oh my gosh, the thing's like just sucking in air, just being a beast. Wow. Let's put the windows up and see what it sounds like. Got the windows up, and here we go. Let's let this guy kind of go forward a little bit. Oh, this thing is crazy. Turn the sound down. I guess we can always wait till we, there. Holy crap. I almost feel like something's wrong, like something's loose. Like, that thing is... Oh, I love letting off the gas. Or the, oh my gosh. Just, oh man, that sounds so good. It's been a couple days later, and it is up on the lift, and we got it installed. Here, let me start from the back here. As you can see, or actually I'll go to the turbo right up here. So we got it right there. This is a turbo back exhaust. Let me get some light for you guys. On the turbo back, as you can see, trying to get it up in there for you. Goes all the way up in there. We got it all on. This thing was a real like pain in a way, but got it all. Goes all the way back. Here's my little tiny muffler we got right here. We got MBRP. Got it all on. Looks pretty good, to be honest. Got all the hangers in. Goes up and over just like so. This is a full 5-inch turbo back exhaust, and then I still have the tip. I have the tip at home. I'm gonna have to cut this off later, but for now we got it all in. Everything looks good. Pretty happy with how it is. Here, I'll show you guys the old exhaust. Look at that freaking huge old muffler. This was such a pain to get off, by the way. Like, this was like a freaking insane pain to get off. Here's the cat that comes on the truck. Look at that, no sensors though. One nice thing about an old Cummins, no sensors. This throws no codes, full 5-inch turbo back exhaust, and we're all good here. So I'm gonna get the truck, we're gonna get it taken down off the lift, and then we'll do a first startup. I'll start it up with you guys. I'll set you guys up over here somewhere, and we're gonna start this baby up, and hope it sounds good. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, guys, listen to that. That is pure amazement right there. Do it again. Wow. Here we go. My buddy Dan's in the passenger seat. He helped me install this. First acceleration, here we go. Let's see. Wow, that is loud. That is so loud. That's awesome. Okay, this is the best mods you can do into a Cummins diesel truck right here. 5-inch turbo back, turbo silencer delete, and a what is it? Cold air intake. Cause wow. She doesn't roll much coal or any, I don't think, as of right now. I mean, probably need to stupid brake light, but probably need to have it tuned before it'll roll any black smoke, which I mean is cool, but it also shouldn't probably be rolling coal, you know. But definitely next step is a tuner, a smarty tuner. That's what I think I'm going to be going with. Wow. Wow, that's insane. Okay, I'll do some more sound comparisons when we get back home, but dang, that is awesome. And now on the highway, you don't even hear the exhaust, like literally nothing. It's just all turbo, just pure turbo sound. Like wow, like that's quiet. I like the exhaust is so loud in those like 0 to like 50. After like 60 miles an hour, this thing just turns into like complete quiet. I have no clue what it sounds like on the outside. I mean, for all I know, it's really loud. I hope so. I think that'd be kind of cool, or maybe it should be good and be quiet. But like, wow, like this thing is, it's almost like it was stock. Just a slight little rumble when you're on the highway. Like I'm going, you know, 70, 80 miles an hour. And it's all turbo, and I think it's because I took out the silencer ring. If I would have kept the silencer ring, this truck would, you know, be very daily drivable. But either way, I love the turbo sound, so I'm fine with it. But dang, I'm surprised. This exhaust is awesome. Definitely worth the $450 for the exhaust. Definitely worth it. This is just intake and exhaust, and it puts a humongous smile on just about anyone's face. So this is pretty awesome. This is, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is like the best thing ever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy the new exhaust on the Cummins. It sounds great. I'm loving it right now. I'm filming this little clip here a little bit later on, and I've had it on for a while, and it's really nice. I really do like it. You can even see over here, got a little bit of smoke. She doesn't blow any black smoke or anything, but you can see a little bit of black there getting on the bumper right there, which is little bit of smoke out of this truck, but really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit the like button down below, follow the channel. Next video will be on the Challenger. Got some big news there for the Challenger. I definitely want to get to tuning this truck, and I want to do some cosmetic mods to the truck, a couple little things. That'll be another video after the Challenger video, but hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Truck is loud. It is loud. It sounds good though. I like it a lot. So hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.